Welcome to Hungry Kids channel. Today, Mommy is going to make simple banana puddings. She usually uses 3 ingredients, but she heard it can be made with only 2, so she decided to give it a try. But can it be true? Can a pudding be made with just a banana and milk? With hopes for the pudding to set, she carefully placed it in the refrigerator.
バナナプリン食べる人
Hi! We are so excited about the banana puddings. What does that shake mean? He always does things that leaves us puzzled.
これ待ってまだよこれなんだチェリー
Puddings wouldn't be complete without a cherry topping.
どうぞはいどうぞ
わあ、美味しそう。
食べて
おさらいでね、美味しい。
持ってあげて
美味しい、甘い。
もっと前にやってあげてもいい。いいナイス。全然前。
美味しい？美味しい人？
美味しいね。
美味しい。
持たせてあげてコップを。コップ持ってみな。そう。あ、上手。上手だね。持っててそこ持って。マドリック持って。
It seems like the pudding did not turn out as expected, and it has a loose consistency. Well, it seems that Addy and his sisters are enjoying it, so we can consider it a success in their eyes. It may be a bit challenging to eat due to its liquid consistency, though. Mommy thinks that the pudding did not turn out as expected, possibly because the size of the banana used was too small.
はい。バイバイ。置いてそれ。バイバイ。それ置いてバイバイは。それ置いてバイバイは。バイバイは。Bye bye.
After the video shoot, he couldn't resist licking the container clean. He must have absolutely loved it. Mommy decided not to give it another try and opted to make the usual pudding with 3 ingredients. The exact same ingredients and add 1 egg. Addie doesn't like the blender. As soon as the blender starts making noise, he clings to Mommy tightly. Will the pudding set properly this time? Fill a pan with boiling water up to halfway the height of the pudding cups and carefully place the pudding cups into the pan one by one. He is very curious. Low heat for 10 minutes. This time, it's a success. Once cooled down, place the pudding cups in the fridge for a few hours.
できたできた。見て。おいしそうにできた。今回はちゃんと固まって
Looks
る。
great.
あ、さくらんぼもつける。そうそう。おいしそう。わあ。ちょうだい。ちょうだいちょうだい。
He's eagerly saying, "Give me."
どうぞ。待ってて、はい、スプーン持って。どうぞ。待ってて、アドリック待って。待ってて。待ってて、待ってて。待ってて、はい、せーの。いただきます。ちょっとカットしてあげて。
でっかいな。美味しい。すごい美味しい。
今回は固まったね。
Since it's easier to eat this time, Addie takes big bites out of excitement. Now he wants a share of mine too. Even though he hasn't finished his own yet, he's already eyeing mine.
Hey, 急いで食べて、はい、自分の急いで食べて。みんななくなっちゃったね。
ごめんなさい。何にもありません。何にもありません。ごめんなさい。何にもありません。何してる？He's reluctant to accept that it's all gone.
これ食べないよ。食べさせないで。
っていうか食べられない。捨てとって。
じゃあ私も捨て
ごちそうさまでした。何？次そっち？ね、シシの。
はい、みんなでせーの。
ごちそうさまでした。
アディ、ごちそうさまでした。はい、バイバイ。
バイバイ。Thank you for watching.